Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a vacuum cleaner and it's called Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop B. It vacuums the floor and can do the mopping as well. So let's unbox it and see how it works and what it can do. The box contents are listed here, and inside this there's another box, so let me take this out. The features of the product is listed here. It's got a good suction power, the LIDAR based navigation, a two-way cleanup mechanism and an app control. So let me open the box, and inside we get two side brushes, and this is used for cleaning. There is some info on warranty. And next we get this wet mop pad holder, and the mop is already fixed to it. And this attaches to the holder with the help of a Velcro tape. We get an AC wall adapter to charge the vacuum cleaner. This needs to be connected to the docking station, which I'll show you in a minute. A moist mop pad is also provided. We also get a 2-in-1 compartment utility. It has two compartments, one for storing the water for mopping function and the other for collecting the dust during vacuum function. And lastly, we get this charging dock with the specifications as shown. The provided AC adapter needs to be plugged in here, and that provides an output voltage of 20 volts DC and 1.2 amps. Now let's take a look at the robot vacuum cleaner itself. It's got a glossy finish on the top with the home and the power buttons on the top. The LDS or the laser distance sensor is located on the top here. This sensor always spins and it builds a map of the house that is used for navigation. There are a total of 12 high precision sensors all around the vacuum cleaner. Some of them are also located at the bottom and the sides. These sensors help in accurate depiction of the surroundings. The sensors include anti-collision and anti-drop sensors to help accurate navigation. This can cross obstacles that are up to 2 centimeters in height, and also it can avoid falling from a staircase. The mop pad holder along with the mop pad needs to be attached here. At the bottom there are two main motorized wheels and a smaller wheel on the front. These are spring loaded, so they can act as a shock absorber, and they can also handle different terrains on the floor. The side brushes needs to be fixed here. This is the main brush, and it actually spins to grab the dust while the robot is moving. This is placed inside the vacuum housing, so all the dust accumulated is sucked and it's stored in the dust compartment inside the machine. The dust compartment can be accessed from the top by opening the lid. This can be removed and emptied after it has done the vacuum. It has a capacity of 550 ml. There is a small brush that is provided, and you can use this to dust out the box or clean any of the dust particles that is sticking to the HEPA filter inside the compartment. We also get this 2-in-1 compartment box, and this is useful for both vacuum and mopping function. So water can be filled in this compartment here, and the dust gets collected in the other compartment. Here's a quick look at the specification. So it's got a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor coupled with a dual-core Mali 400 GPU, has a battery capacity of 3200 mAh, and it has a running time of roughly around 60 to 120 minutes. It's got an inbuilt Wi-Fi that runs on 2.4 GHz frequency band. The rated power is around 33 watts. This weighs about 3.2 kgs and the noise level is less than 70 decibels. So now let's quickly set this up and see how it performs. I have connected the AC adapter to the mains and the other end to the charging dock. The very first time we need to manually place the robot vacuum cleaner in the dock so that it can start charging. For subsequent charging, the vacuum cleaner will automatically return to the dock and charge itself. The setup can be done by using the Mi Home app. I've already installed this on my smartphone and configured the vacuum cleaner. We get multiple modes of cleaning such as only vacuum, vacuum and mop, and just mopping. We can also vary the level of suction power by choosing the silent cleaning option here, and this will create a less noise. There is a standard suction mode, a medium and turbo cleaning modes for high suction power. There is also an option to initiate the cleaning manually. The live status of the operations, including the area of coverage, duration, battery level of the cleaner, is also shown on the screen. We can also check the history of the cleaning and also check the time taken for each of the cleaning sessions. Schedules can be set and the cleaner will start the work at the scheduled time. We get the option to enable vacuum along the edges, and this needs to be set manually for every session if it is required. Secondary cleanup option will repeat the cleaning second time on the same surface for better cleaning. And again, this option will need to be set every time if we want to use it. If the robot runs out of battery, then it automatically returns to the dock, charges itself and returns back to the cleaning from where it had left off. During the initial run, it automatically builds up a map of your house and then uses this map for subsequent cleaning. We can use this map to place virtual walls or add restricted area, and the machine will not enter that portion or enter the area of that house for cleaning. Similarly, we can do the opposite. That is, we can tell the robot to clean a very specific area inside the room or the house. I have tried both the vacuum and the mopping modes, and it does a good job. When using both these options together, it does both the operations in a single pass. While it vacuums, it also mops along the path. It can climb on carpets and vacuum them. It makes sense to use this machine where the room is not too cluttered with objects on the floor. The robot may not be able to clean areas which have a very narrow gap, for example underneath a bed if the gap is very low, or beneath a chair. So such places it may not be able to enter. The battery performance depends on several parameters. For example, it depends on the area available for cleaning, excluding the obstructing furnitures, and also it depends on whether you select just the vacuum or both the vacuum and the mop function. It may also utilize more battery power if you opt for a second pass for cleaning. On an average, it takes about 10 minutes to clean my room and 30 to 40 minutes to clean the complete house in case of using only the vacuum function. So guys, that was a quick overview and a demo of the Me Robot vacuum cleaner. Hope this video was useful to you. If so, please do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.